Hi and welcome to Pickles Fixed Price Melbourne. Let's check out this 2018 built, 2019 complied Holden Commodore RS Liftback. Car's parking sensors, park assist, comfort access, rear camera, beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels you can see there. The ZB Commodore RS Liftback. Now let's have a look inside the vehicle. Car's travelled 13,210 kilometres. Comes with Victorian Roadworthy certificate. Those sports seats. There you go, 13,212 Ks. Should you want any further information on this vehicle, please check out the condition report on our website, and we look forward to hearing from you of any questions you have about this car. Take care, stay safe,